Welcome to Block 7. Today, we will explore a unique house designed specifically for a photographer. This project, named House for a Photographer, is the creation of Kouichi Kimura architects, completed in 2017. Let's delve into the remarkable design of this house. The house is located along an arterial road that runs through the Japanese countryside. Surrounding it are private residences and a small grove that encircles the path to the village shrine. The building is made of mortar and galvanized steel sheets that reflect dull light, giving it a sturdy and massive appearance. It is designed to fit within an L-shaped lot and faces the shrine across the road. A dim passage from the entrance invites visitors into the innermost space, guided by light from the ceiling of the connected gallery. The gallery frames a landscape with its opening, resembling an exhibition. The contrasting scale and natural light resonate with each other, creating an inspiring atmosphere amid ordinary life. This space not only serves as a comfortable living area but also doubles as a photogenic shooting location. The long, narrow passage that serves as an alley around the gallery has additional functions beyond being a pathway. It is also used to display artworks and photos on its walls. Beautifully themed with changing views, different ceiling heights, and shadows created by natural light, it enhances the space's aesthetic. This house serves not only as a living space but also as a studio and gallery for the photographer. The client wanted to integrate the studio where he produces his work with his living space. Therefore, the architect came up with an optimal plan by considering how the resident wants to live rather than segmenting the space by function. The hall, located at the center of the building with varying floor levels, acts as a hub connecting all spaces. It incorporates plumbing equipment, a counter, and a staircase necessary for daily living, and is connected to the courtyard approach, providing both functional comfort and scenic beauty. This living space also offers a dynamic environment with proportions and scale that allow it to function as a photo studio. The light entering through the high windows envelopes the room, enabling photo shoots with natural light. Photography equipment, vintage furniture, musical instruments, and artworks are scattered throughout, blending seamlessly with the space. These elements harmonize with the photographer's feelings and aesthetics, creating a base for generating new creativity and activities. That concludes our review of The House for a Photographer by Kouichi Kimura Architects. We hope this design provides you with inspiration and new ideas. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next house review on Block 7.